Hello everyone. Whether you are a principal, head of the school, a teacher, a parent, or a student, this video is for you. Though due to pandemic, some schools are still closed, classes are held online, but we are optimistic that regular school will resume soon. Heavy school bags are a threat to the health and well-being of students. It can have adverse physical effects in children's growth. Some students have to climb a lot of stairs to reach their classroom, and they get exhausted carrying heavy school bags. Today, I'm going to talk about the School Bag Policy 2020. On 4th January 2021, the Directorate of Education, Government of NCT of Delhi released a circular titled Reducing the Weight of School Bags in Primary, Secondary and Senior Secondary Schools along with the School Bag Policy 2020. That was released by Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Department of School Education and Literacy with a circular dated 24th November 2020. The recommended class-wise range of bag weight of students is pre-primary, where the average body weight of children is 10 to 16 kg, no bag. Classes 1 and 2, where average body weight of children is between 16 to 22 kgs. The bag should be 1.6 to 2.2 kg heavy. Classes 3rd, 4th and 5th, 17 to 25 body weight range, 1.7 to 2.5 recommended bag weight range. Classes 6th and 7th, 20 to 30 body weight range, 2 to 3 kgs school bag weight range. Class 8th, 25 to 40, 2.5 to 4, class 9th and 10th, 25 to 45, 2.5 to 4.5, and finally classes 11th and 12th, where the body weight may vary from 35 to 50, the recommended school bag weight is 3.5 to 5 kgs. It should be displayed at prominent places in school and in classrooms. The policy on school bag PDF has 75 pages, and here I present the highlights of the recommendations of that policy in just 15 points. If you want to go through the complete PDF, I have given its link in the description box below. Let's begin. It is suggested that ratio of weight for school bag shall be 10% of the body weight of the student across classes 1 to 10. To keep a check on school bag weight, every school needs to keep a digital weighing machine in the school premises. School bag needs to be lightweight with proper compartments and shall contain 2 padded and adjustable straps that can squarely fit on both the shoulders. Wheeled carriers should not be allowed as it may hurt children while climbing stairs. Schools to provide good quality potable water in sufficient quantity, which should be available to all the students in the school. It may save the weight of water bottle in the bag. The school or class timetable need to be flexible, providing adequate space for sports and physical education, reading of books available in school other than textbooks, arts and crafts, etc. While selecting a textbook for children, the criteria of weight should be taken into consideration. Lockers in classes may be installed for students. As per the NCF 2005, school shall offer 2 languages and mathematics in classes 1 and 2, 2 languages, mathematics and environmental studies in classes 3rd, 4th and 5th. School shall offer 3 languages, mathematics, science and social science in classes 6 to 8. Subjects such as computer studies, moral education, general knowledge, life skills, etc. need to be infused across subject areas and other activities in the school without additional textbooks. Total homework time. Up till class 2, no homework at all. A maximum of 2 hours a week from classes 3rd to 5. For grades 6 to 8, a maximum of 1 hour a day, about 5 to 6 hours a week. For secondary and higher secondary students, a maximum of 2 hours a day, about 10 to 12 hours a week. Teachers need to work together to plan and rationalize the amount of homework that they give. A sample log sheet is given at page number 56 of the school bag policy to keep in check the quantum of homework. These are maintained by class captains under the guidance of class teachers. As per the National Education Policy 2020, grades 6 to 8 will be appropriately designed by NCERT and every student shall take a fun course. During grades 6 to 8, this fun course would give hands-on experience to the students. Vocational crafts can be included such as carpentry, electric work, metal work, gardening, pottery, etc. as decided by states and local communities and as mapped by local skilling needs. Notebooks. A single notebook need to be used for classes 1 and 2 for classwork only. 2 notebooks for classwork and homework for classes 3rd to 5. At a time, only 1 notebook shall be allowed in a child's bag. The second one will be kept in school. For grades 6 to 8, 1 file with loose paper need to be used for classwork and homework. Systematic use of files with loose sheets need to be promoted for class 6 onwards. Students need to be taught on how to use filing in an efficient and intelligent way so that loose sheets do not become lost sheets. Schools shall promote students' sharing of textbooks with their peers. Teachers shall make prior announcement if any textbook is not required on any particular day, so that students can leave it at home and not carry unnecessarily to school. Going beyond textbooks, teachers should engage students in activity-based teaching learning process wherein students can go beyond textbooks. Teachers need to be guided by the heads of school to reduce the use of textbooks by students during class hours. No bag days, yay! No bag days and experiential learning to be encouraged. Schools shall generate respective awareness amongst parents through PTMs, circulars and digital media, etc. So that was the crisp view of School Bag Policy 2020. I again suggest you to go through the complete PDF whose link is given in the description box below. Do follow the recommendations. And before I leave, the very customary thing, do not forget to like, share and subscribe Yarn to Learn. This is Priya Handa signing off. May God bless you all.